Hello friends, today I am here with a quinoa recipe. For this recipe, I have taken a bowl and I took almost 250 milliliter of water in this bowl. Okay, let's see, I haven't opened my packet of quinoa also. This is from Organic India, but you can use anyone available from the market. I will add quinoa in this water and will let it sit for a few minutes. I have added vinegar also. So here I am taking some vegetables. I am taking beans and then 2 carrots, 2 onions and a few cloves of garlic. I will chop all the vegetables. First I have finely chopped the garlic, and then I will chop the onion, and then I will dice the carrots and beans in small pieces. Let me tell you one thing, quinoa has gained popularity as a health food in the US and other Western countries. The people have been cultivating it in South America since ancient times. In fact, hundreds of years ago, the Inca people considered this ancient grain as a sacred food. In the past couple of decades, quinoa popularity has grown exponentially as the demand for easy to grow, nutritious and gluten-free grain. I have gone through the nutrients breakdown mentioned in the packet, and it says that quinoa is a good source of calcium, as well as it is good source of vitamins and minerals, and it is completely cholesterol free. Okay, our veggies are ready, so let's move to the next part. In next part we will rinse, because it has some bitterness, and when you rinse it the bitterness goes away. So for the next part, just I will take a pan and will boil some water and will add the washed quinoa in it. I will cook the quinoa for a few minutes till the quinoa appears translucent. To cook the vegetables, I will take a pan, pour some oil, and then will add the chopped vegetable. First I will add the onions. I will not add the whole onion, I will keep some onion aside. Then I will put minced garlic, and then I will put the chopped fresh beans, and then I will put other vegetables like carrots, and I will saute for few minutes. My quinoa is almost ready. As you can see, they are becoming translucent. Okay, I am adding salt to the vegetables and then some red chili powder, and then I will pour some soya sauce, 1 tablespoon, that's enough. And then I will add some 1 tablespoon tomato sauce also, and then I will add the quinoa. Mixing the quinoa with the vegetables to get along with all the veggies. You can add some water if you feel necessary. I'm not adding any water because it's almost cooked. Then I will add some little tomato sauce. I'm adding more sauce because I like the flavor of the sauce much. I'm adding extra soya sauce also, and I like the flavor very much. And also adding a little bit green chili sauce. We'll cook the for another 2 minutes, and then the quinoa recipe is ready. I'm taking out in a bowl, and you can see how delicious it looks. It's so yummy, so delicious. So here's my first quinoa recipe is ready to serve. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, please subscribe and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you for watching.